when you have the right audience, the right message, the right content, you can just explode your business. And I am not joking when I tell you that we've seen doctors' offices stop promoting on social media because they have more clients than they can ever fit in their office. They're referring their patients to other patients in the local area because their office is too full. And that happened because they grew their Facebook page, they put the right content in there, the right audience, and next thing you know, they just exploded their practice. With content and ideas ready to go, I'll have clarity going forward. Okay, when you have that clarity, you can do something like this girl. She has a software product that she's creating for graphics designers, okay? She posted a question, the I am question. You know you're a graphic designer when? Fill in the blank in the comments. Because you can see in her screenshot that she gave me, she had 98 comments in 18 hours. Because she's a brand new business. Brand stinking new business. Now, some of those comments were hilarious. You know you're a graphics designer when you take 30 minutes to order in a restaurant because you're critiquing the design. You know you're a graphics designer when you 50 words for the name purple. You know you're a graphics designer when you refuse to load Comic Sans on your computer. You know you're a graphics designer. Okay, my point is, every single one of those, can you see them as a meme? Now, if a graphics designer sees that and they post it and they see it on a feed, what do you think a graphics designer is going to do? You know you're a graphics designer when you're driving around town looking at billboards playing name that font. They're going to like it. When they like that content, do you know what you get to do? You get to invite that person to like your page. Let me show you what I mean. So, oops, let me go back in. Let me find my page here. Home. So here is my page. I'm going to go into my business page. So here it is. When someone likes a post, I can go in and I can say, I can go in and invite them to like my page. So you can see here, this is grayed right now, but my team is really fast, so they probably were already invited. If they're not, if they're a person, you can typically hit that invite button right there. Another thing you can do when they're taking action on your page is you can go into your groups and you can literally invite them to all join your group. So all these people right here, I'm inviting all of them to join my group right now. Okay, I tend not to invite people that seem spammy and or off. So there we go. Hit invites. I just invited people to my group. Like my group has 54,000 people in it. It has 54,000 people in it because I do those tactics right now. I'm growing the content on my page. Now that content exploded and did so well because we listen to our audience and we literally say the things that they want the world to know about them. Okay, you know you're a graphics designer when you have 50 words for the color purple. Guys, let me see if I can go through and show you guys the results of this. I'm just going to skip ahead to this because I want you to see what the results are of that. Oh, I don't have that slide in there. Because just trust me on this. She was able to reach 10 times her normal audience with this post because 98 people all responded and all commented and engaged. When her audience only has 200 people, that was huge.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. I'm Alessio Pieroni and I'm the founder of Scale for Impact and obviously of Scale with Alessio. In this channel you can find some of the most amazing marketing content, the content that will help your online education business to go to the next level. And if you want to see other videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel. It means really the world for us, and please also comment below and tell us how you found this video. It's truly important. If on the other side you want to go to the next level and you actually want to make sure that you can watch the entire talks from the Scale series, you want to see over 50 speakers, people that have been changing the entire marketing landscape, and see exactly how these can take your business to the next level, please subscribe to the Scale series. For just $99, you're gonna get the chance to see some of the most amazing speakers, and on top of that, get a lot of other bonuses. You're gonna have 3 amazing books completely for free inside that, tens of hours of other marketing training, all of it for just $99. Literally, that's just $2 per talk. And we're not talking about random speakers. We're talking about people like Jay Abram, people like Alex Cattoni, Vishen Lakhiani, Jeff Walker, Perry Marshall, Rich Schefrin, Molly Pittman, Murray Smith. Incredible people that changed the entire marketing landscape right now at your fingertip for just $2 each. So don't wait anymore. It's time for you to get the Scale series. See you there and upgrade your marketing knowledge.